President Aliyev, floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Of course, talking about transformation in the region as far as Azerbaijan is concerned, we should start from the very beginning. When we became independent back in 1991, that was a major transformation for the region and also a biggest challenge for us because we got an opportunity to build an independent state, and we had to build a state at the same time to build a modern economy based on market economy principles. So the transformation for us was a transformation of political system, because before independence we didn't have any, and transformation from planned economy to market economy. And I think that these 23 years of independence are remarkable from point of view of what a country can achieve if it has a policy of open doors, attracts investments, and addresses the main challenges of today. So from economic point of view, Azerbaijan's economy now is 85% is private sector. Also, the policy of diversification of economy is successfully implemented. We are more and more free from the pressure of the oil prices. So biggest part of our economy is generated in non-energy sector. At the same time, a lot has been done in implementing the major infrastructure projects with the assistance of international financial institutions, particularly EBRD and others. And now Azerbaijan already became a donor country, so we are already ourselves finance several projects through IFC and other international financial instruments.